a moi moi. It's you, o ngā totono lo unei whatu. It's you, o e whao malo I o umanatu. Te tau tino atu o tāsi lama o e moa u. It's you, o ngā totono lo unei whatu. Lo whatu. Say aurolo na iila e susulu pe ilo uanganga baby e awana o lava lotino wa momo si fe ave o motofi a ole a lofa ya moni o tele a soina o ene I eli ya ina it's you o matotono lo unei fatu. What if I malo yo umanatu? The tautino atu watasi lama oe moa u. It's you, o matotono alo unei fatu. Elelele motu olipa, ua iloa la oia. Ne itafea tu ole utu. Baby, no atu for you to mo. Ni ali ane ole ona ta itane ima o aluma. Te ufi maluina oe ne ilele alufa amoe.
Kia ora whānau. Welcome back to the last part of Pacific Health Talanoa with Lorenzo. This Friday, the 16th of July 2021. Have you taken your medication? Have you ever heard of a Panadaling drug?
No.
Panadaling, yeah.
Wow.
You know what? It's not Panadol, it's Panadaling.
Panadaling.
Only available on Friday. Because us men, most men, that's only Friday. You finish work, you get home and you're like, hi darling. But Monday to Thursday, no darling. Only Friday. So Panadol, Panadaling.
Panadaling.
Yeah. So
I call that makanganga.
Yeah, Panadaling, aka makanganga. But you know what? That's our way, us men of trying to ask for a permit to go out tonight.
Yeah, but I love. I don't know. I don't even have. I actually don't know what we call a permit for a woman because not all men like to go out.
You're right.
Yeah.
But in gatherings of men, so we joke around. We joke around and we say, hey, how long have you been permitted to come out for? Have you got your permit?
Well, approved lalo permit Billy.
You know what? I'm working, so I don't need a permit. I'm working, so I don't need that. But I'm working tonight. I'm going to a dinner tonight, and that's part of my job. That's part of work. Connect, engage, network. Yeah. But Pea, I heard you have an interesting guest on your show today.
Yes, I do. Yes, we do. Claudia and I, we've got Pea Leota joining us right after Mr. Lorenzo's Health Talanoa. Pea Leota is actually the owner of Manuia Creation.
Wow.
But we're not only talking about our about the business side of things. We're actually going to talk a little bit about women in leadership, what her thoughts are around this topic and, a few other topics as well.
Wow. Well, you know what? This whole month of July, I must be about women. Because honestly,
Women,
this whole month of July, I don't know what it is, but it seems like July, it is all for our women. So
women.
Yes, all about for women. And you know what? My advice for us men, especially husbands, make your wife happy.
Yeah.
That is the key.
That's the key.
Yeah.
You hold the key.
Yeah, to open your heart to happiness. But anyway, if you are planning to go out, us men, you husband, make sure you get home safely, and make sure you don't look at the other way. You don't look. No,
Don't look at Lorenzo, okay?
don't look at the other way. Yeah, but be safe out there,
Yeah.
and make sure you go home to see your wife and the kids first, and then just maybe take them out to Polex. I apologize. I am very, very sorry, because you know what? Our community, our people, they love watching us from Polex on Fridays.
Yep.
What's happening?
Well, as you all know, Makua, I pēsiale melewa o ai. So, unfortunately, sometimes we have to cater to the work that's here in the office.
Wow.
So it's full on, and plus wa mamai umale crew. And we do not want to pass on any dangerous viruses to
The germs
the
and
germs.
The RSV and the COVID-19.
And the CV and the
But anyways, ole tulanga na wa yai, fa malulu watu pa ia man malo tato watu no e Mission Pacifica. Ole mafai ona tu sa o mai tato por kalame le nes for ile mai Poli X. Ia ono tulanga fo ia o ngasi lo mama il tato o fingal wenga. But you know what? If we had more funding, if we had more money from the government, from MPP and other government agencies, we would have been able to, to hire more people.
Yeah.
And then we would have been able to be at Polio X today. But the problem is, no funding, we're not working. We're not going to work for free, you know what?
Yeah.
I'm being very honest.
Yep.
I think Talanoa, this is a safe place to Talanoa and share our feelings and our opinions.
Yeah.
We're being underfunded.
Yeah, I definitely, and I totally agree. Ngā Makalangoa, I with a few good boys that I absolutely love their podcast. For the boys, so shout out to For the Boys. And it's important for us to redirect funding where it's actually required, and where, for myself, I've seen the change and the switch in areas. Moleko e mga omia isi kind of service. So I'm not saying to take away from that service. No way. No way. I'm just saying to how about we revisit.
Yeah.
We revisit the board and say, well, actually, a lot of people love engaging like this.
Absolutely.
And now people love seeing us at Poly X as well.
Yeah, not just Poly X, but they love seeing us. Us, the happy people, the happy islanders, the happy Samoans.
The Samoans.
Because you know what? I still believe the best medicine is laughter.
Laughter, yeah.
And if we bring that to our community, man, that's like worth more than going to see the doctors, I believe.
You know what? It's so true. Because some mornings, I Lorenzo. You know what? I always laugh at your dance when you go like this.
Oh my God.
This is your famous dance. You're like...
Why are you exposing me like that? Am I so sorry?
No, but I'm just saying, that's your most popular dance. I see it.
Oh, yeah?
And I laugh and I smile, and you have your hands out and you do
like that, and then, I do it.
O Losiva Lama Ernestina.
The reason why I dance like that, because I listen to my young people. If my young people says to me to dance like this, of course I dance like that. If my young people, tells me to wear like this, of course I will do like that, because I have to cater, like you say. I have to cater for their needs and for whatever they want. I'm not going to be a valley for to dance like, no, like how you dance.
Hey, what was it? I'm not talking about this dance on a Friday and a Saturday.
Oh, no. Anyways, my Tofina here, my sister Pea, and Gloria, Mama Sita Hunting Down, and Amigo will have...
our special guest, Becca Leota from Manuia Creation.
Wow, thank you so much, my beautiful Pacifica, and my beautiful people of Samoa, for accepting our service. And for tuning in and joining us Monday to Friday. But don't forget, your banner darling, a medicine to take. You go home first as men and husbands before we go out. And let's go! Have you smelled what Pea is cooking? See you next week.
See you guys.
Squad, baby. Rex, J. Sands.
Let's go.
Oh, say Martinez, say you are complete to me, Agelio. By the way that you move and the way that you smile. Say, oh my dorima, baby, you be giving your hand, I'll take you anywhere. You give me something that I never had. Cause you care, but about to me and the family. Say, why you waiting on me to talk to you? Yeah, I'ma listen what you say. Yeah, don't move out in the come here. Yeah, they on the nail, dirty wine, girl, dirty wine. Yeah, say, I'm not in and not the bite to get out. Say.